But so back to it. Whew. Let's do it. Get out, bitch. All right. So what I'm going to do, I don't know if you can see it, I don't know if there actually is much, but there's a bit of carbon build up around the top there. So I'm just going to get some Scotch-Brite and clean it up so that it won't stop the piston. Like when I go to pull the piston out, that's there, I'll find it hard. So I'm going to clean it. It's going to be easy, smooth sailing. So this will give you a better view. There actually isn't much, so I'll give it a quick scrubbing. So there we go. I've set the layout up in a pretty sketchy spot, so hopefully it doesn't fall on me. Alright, let's punch this because I want to get this done. I'll flip it over and continue what I was doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbolt the conrod bolts, take that off, take out the main bearings, then I'm going to come underneath and pull the piston out from underneath. I've never actually done this before, so just bear with me. I might go through and crack them all, so my life is easy. But I'll do the ones that I can reach. That is disgusting. There's one piston and conrod out. Pull out the back one next because it's also top dead. Well, I think this wouldn't be top dead because the motor's upside down. Do you know what I'm saying? So I'm not too sure about how to check the wear of the bearings and everything. I'm not going to pretend like I do. But maybe once I learn, I'll go over all the parts and show everyone in a bit of detail. Maybe hopefully teach you a thing or two. Oh, the light almost fell. So I'm just getting the hammer thing, just gently tapping. I'm putting no force whatsoever on. And then just carefully pushing it through Pushing the conrod through, not hitting the chamber. That's another piston. So you just want to turn it over so that the bolts are up as high as you can get them, because then it's obviously a lot easier to crack. Because if you go to try crack that one down low like that, you're probably going to slip and stuff it up. Probably round it off and have dramas. So yeah, most of you probably already know this, but for those of you who don't, now you do. And just like that, all the pistons are out. So I've just laid them out in the order that they came out in, so that I can remember how to put it back together. I do plan on replacing the conrod bolts, because I've heard they're a one-use thing. If you know anything about JZs and can shed some light on it, that would be awesome. But yeah, I'm now going to take off all the main caps and take the crank out, which will be awesome. So here we go. Woo! Okay, so all the main caps are off. I think it is now time to lift the crank out of position and place it onto the bench. So I'm just going to clear off some room and then pull it out. Really did not think about that light. So I've removed the crank, and some of the main bearings were still on, but I'll just go through and take them off and then place them next to it, so that I know obviously where it all goes. So I'm just going to mess around for a little bit and take all the bearings out and place them on the bench. So, I don't know if I'd recommend doing this the way I'm doing it, but hey, I'm the one spending the money, I'm the one spending the time, so I do it the way I fucking want to do it. That doesn't feel good. It's actually pretty scary. So this is what they look like. It's probably better if I hold that. They're just held in by a little Allen key. Legit looks like a little tap. Pretty cool. Maybe when I go to put this back together, I'll get an Allen key that is on a big T-bar. Sort of like this, but this isn't the right size. I don't think. I didn't even try it. Nah, so it's not. So yeah, but this is what I will try to get for when I rebuild it. I would feel a lot safer doing it, because right now I'm literally shaking. Even though when I was doing all that I was pretty rough, but with this, I don't know. Allen keys are sketchy. I've had bad experiences. So I think I'm finished. I'll just flip it over, double check everything, make sure I got it all. I don't know if I'll need to pull these sensors out before the machine shop or after, or probably before, obviously, but we'll see. And this is the way I've set it all out, so that I can try remember to rebuild it. That is just the way I've pulled it out. Still looking in the bores, everything's looking all sweet so far. I'm not too knowledgeable on this, but they look good. There's no scoring, no big scratches, no signs of like overheating. So hopefully it's good. Bob, hey, what's up, buddy? What do you think? It's gonna be a race car. Yeah, we're gonna go speed and we're gonna drive so fast. It's gonna be a Togue Warrior. Yeah, you're excited, aren't you? I'm excited too. How excited are you? Hey? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, that's it. Hey. One day. Soon. Yeah. So now that I got the motor all disassembled, I'll probably put it into an engine shop maybe in the next week or two, or maybe another fortnight until I get paid again. And once I get it back, I'll be able to go straight into rebuilding it because I already have all the parts. And then the head is back here. That'll have to get machined and stuff like that, and I have to order parts for that. So that could be more time, but should have stuff for the Ranger soon. I do have plans on another car, but we'll keep that on the down low at the moment. That should be pretty awesome actually, if everything works out. There'll be a lot more videos, probably a bit better videos as well, more fun. For the 1J, once I get it out of the machine shop, I'll probably have videos of me painting it because I want to get it all looking nice. And then obviously I'll reassemble it. And hopefully I'll go into a lot of detail and maybe be able to teach people things as I learn as well, because this is my first time rebuilding a motor. Other than that, should be sweet. I'm just keen to finally finish it and drive hell fast. Cheers. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. I appreciate it heaps. If you share it with your mates or something, or anyone that's interested in these types of cars, or fast cars in general, or just cool stuff, yeah, that'd be appreciated. And thanks for watching. Have a good one.